Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's fine. So today I'll be making chicken suya, as you can see in this video. So I'm washing my meat, and after that I had to give it a thin cut, as you can see in this video. You have to cut it in a smaller size. It's a thin cut so that when you marinate it will be very tasty when you are done. So after that, I had to transfer it into a bowl and started adding the ingredients and spice. So first of all, I added salt, as you can see in this video. Then after that, followed by seasoning cube, as you can see in this video. The next one is onion, garlic, ginger mixed. That's what I just added now. Then followed by peanut butter, as you can see in this video. And after that, the next one, I added yaji, chicken suya spice. So as you can see, that's what I just added, followed by cayenne pepper, as you can see in this video. I added little quantity because my children, they do not like pepper. So when making yours, you can add as many quantity as you want. So now I just added olive oil. So the next one is to mix them very well. So after I was done mixing it, I had to set it aside so that it can marinate for like 6 hours. You can as well leave yours till the next day, or for 2 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours. So after I was done marinating, I had to mixing them together. I had to set it aside so you can marinate. Then as I had to set it aside, the next thing I did was to get a plate. I had to get a mixture of suya spice, pepper, salt, olive oil, mix them together so I can use it to coat my chicken when I am done stuffing it on skewer sticks, just like I am doing now. You have to get a skewer sticks, then start stuffing your chicken inside it. Okay, arrange it very well. Then when you are done, you have to coat it with maybe suya spice or the mixture of, like I did mine, the mixture of suya spice, pepper, salt, olive oil, then use it and coat it. So as you can see in this video, that is what I am doing. And now I am now trying to coat it very well so that it can be very tasty and yummy when I am done grilling the chicken. So as you can see, that's what I am doing. There are some people that prefers to use the powdered one to coat it, but me, I decided to mix everything together and coat it. And I don't want it to be too spicy. So I had to do everything in moderation since the kids are also eating it. So when making yours, you can, add plenty pepper and all that. So after I was done coating it, I had to transfer it into my Bushimi's air fryer oven. And I had to set it so that it can grill. So as you can see, it is inside my oven, air fryer oven. As you can see now, it is done grilling. As you can see, it's very nice, very neat, well grilled. So the next one is I had to get some cucumber because I want to garnish it very well. So I had to get my cucumber, tomatoes, onions, eggs. So this is how I garnished it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? It was so delicious. So when making yours, you can add plenty pepper, onions, etc.